You are going to love the 2015 Verano. Buick Verano is a compact car built on the Delta II platform, designed and built from the ground up with the idea of it being a Buick. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, power mirrors, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.